In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ask Grok a question on X. Whether you're new to using Grok or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through this straightforward process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be prepared to comfortably navigate the platform and ask any question you might have. So let's dive right in. First things first, the magic begins by heading over to your browser. I recommend starting with a search engine you're comfortable with, like Google, since it will make things easy and intuitive. Open your browser and go to the Google homepage. This will act as your jumping-off point to access the Grok tool on X. Now, in the Google search bar, type X and then hit Enter. This is where you can find the platform we need to access Grok. You'll be presented with a variety of search results, but what we're looking for is the official X website. It's usually one of the top results, so go ahead and click on it. Navigating to the official site ensures that all functionalities, like Grok, work seamlessly and safely. Once on the X website, the next step is to locate the Grok icon. For those of you wondering, Grok is the built-in assistant designed to answer your questions effectively. Look around the home page or the main menu area until you spot the Grok icon. It might stand out as a distinct and clickable feature, typically with an engaging design. Clicking on the Grok icon will open the dialog interface where you'll be able to directly engage with Grok. This user-friendly interface will prompt you to input your question. If you find yourself unsure of how to phrase your query, keep it simple and straightforward. Just imagine you're having a conversation. Ask naturally. In the input area, type your question. To give you an example, you might want to ask something like, "What new AI tools can help me make $100 a day online right now?" Framing your question this way will allow Grok to understand your intent clearly. Remember, the more precise your question, the more helpful the answers you receive will be. After typing your question, the next step is to submit it. You should see a Submit button somewhere near the text box where you typed your question. Go ahead and click that. Once submitted, Grok will process your inquiry. That's it. You've asked Grok a question on X, and soon you should receive a response tailored to your needs. Feel free to ask follow-up questions or explore more of what Grok has to offer. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you. Until next time, take care.